Welcome to this presentation of the Lockman blog. Recently, the FDA issued guidance titled Remote Interactive Evaluations of Drug Manufacturing and Bioresearch Monitoring Facilities During the COVID-19 Public Health Emergency. The guidance notes that the agency will determine whether remote inspections will occur and which tools are appropriate as alternatives to on-site inspections. The agency lists the following types of inspections and specific considerations for each. Pre-approval and pre-license inspections, used to assess applications for the purposes of approval, but not if there are data integrity issues or other issues. Post-approval inspections, used when firms have good inspectional histories and no data integrity issues. Surveillance inspections. They won't replace on-site inspections, but information obtained will provide the basis for the scope and future timing of on-site inspections. Follow-up and compliance inspections, useful to ensure that after a warning letter, corrective actions have been completed or to address specific quality issues. Bioresearch monitoring inspections, used to assess a facility's conduct, including data reliability and human subject protections, to determine the acceptability of BIMO studies for FDA's application decision-making. A firm's compliance history will be taken into consideration. The agency notes that failure to cooperate with either an inspection or a 704A4 request for records or other information may constitute a limiting of inspection, and as a result, FDA may deem the relevant drugs manufactured at these establishments adulterated. For more information, see the October 2014 guidance for industry circumstances that constitute delaying, denying, limiting, or refusing a drug inspection. As part of a remote inspection, the guidance indicates the agency will request and review documents, records, and other information. Use LIVESTREAM and/or pre-recorded video to examine facilities, operations, data, and other information. Through the facility's point of contact, schedule interviews and meetings to address any questions or concerns. Evaluate a facility's corrective actions in response to a previous inspection or evaluation or to the current remote interactive evaluation. Provide verbal updates to the facility on observations and outstanding issues whenever feasible. The agency will only permit the use of its own technology platforms for security reasons, and thus the site should participate utilizing FDA Microsoft Teams, FDA Zoom for Government, or FDA Adobe Connect. So bottom line, do not solicit a remote inspection or evaluation, but be prepared if your number is called. Read the guidance closely so you know what to expect and what the agency's expectations are. From all of us at Lockman Consultants, stay safe and stay healthy.